Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Upbit, a premier cryptocurrency exchange platform known for its user-friendly interface and advanced trading tools. In this video, we will explore everything Upbit has to offer, from signing up to making your first trade. Upbit has quickly gained popularity due to its extensive range of supported cryptocurrencies, robust security measures, and seamless trading experience. To get started on Upbit, you first need to create an account. Navigate to the sign-up page and complete the registration process by entering your details and verifying your identity. Once you're in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which offers real-time market updates, charts, and trading options. The platform's intuitive design allows even beginners to trade confidently. Use the search bar to locate your desired cryptocurrency. Click on the pair you wish to trade, such as BTC/USDT or ETH/KRW, and explore the detailed trading chart. Analyze the data provided to make informed decisions before entering a trade. Depositing funds is straightforward. Head to the Wallet section, select your desired currency, and click on the Deposit button to find your unique wallet address. Send funds from your external wallet or bank account and watch them reflect in minutes. Once your funds are available, you're ready to trade. For those interested in margin trading or using advanced tools like stop loss and take profit orders, Upbit provides comprehensive options to manage your investments effectively. Explore these features under the Trading Tools section to maximize your gains. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Security is a top priority on Upbit. Enable two-factor authentication 2FA to protect your account and ensure all transactions are conducted securely. Upbit employs industry-standard encryption to keep your assets safe. Lastly, don't miss the exclusive bonus for new users. Sign up now using the link https://lnk.do/jquucoif to claim your rewards and start your trading journey on Upbit. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content on cryptocurrency trading and platform reviews.